During my first try at pitching, the ball seems to be going all over the place. Here is a diagram of where each ball landed. The red circle is the target hoop. Black circles are the balls and the number on them shows the order they were thrown in. The first ball I was just trying out and getting an idea of how much energy it took, and I overestimated. So I lowered my power on the second ball and threw it too short and slightly to the right. On the third ball, I corrected my mistake, but I was still slightly too short. And this time, it's off to the right. The fourth and fifth ball landed in a circle, but on the sixth ball, I just lost concentration and didn't take my time. As seen in the diagram, the ball varies more from too long to too short rather than varying from side to side. This could be because I didn't take a step forward. My goal for my next session will be to remember to take a step and follow through, which should make the results group closer than this session. During my second isolation session, I made slight progress with my pitching. My goal was to try and group where the ball landed more, and I made a little bit of progress. Here is the result in a picture. And here is both results side by side. Here we can see that although less balls landed in the target area, the ball was more bunched up in the center. In the first session, balls 1, 2, 6, and 10 are quite far from the target area, and in the second, only 2 is really far away, and 1 is a bit far, but not too far. Here we can see that I have been taking a step forward, and I also tried sticking my hand up to stabilize the flight path a bit, hopefully making the balls go straighter, which I think was quite successful. We also had a game circumstance where I got to test my skill with the pressure of a real game. Here's the results. It is quite hard to read, so here's a better version. Here we can see that my main problem is that the ball is landing short of the mat. I consider this an improvement because it means that I only have one thing left to focus on, which is to increase my power slightly, so it always lands on the mat. Despite being short of power, I did manage to get 2 strikes. My new goal now is to increase my power slightly while keeping the ball going straight towards the mat. In my final isolation session, I managed to continue throwing the ball straight with minimal variation from side to side, and I kept in mind to throw harder than I'm used to. Again, here's the diagram, and it is quite clear that all the balls were quite straight, with the exception of ball 3 being slightly off. After ball 3, I was in the zone and I got them all quite straight. Here it is easily seen that most of the balls were towards the top end of the picture, showing that I have succeeded in constantly increasing my power and managing to get 5 out of 10 balls on target.